Right now, we're seeing a notable surge in film sentiment at plus 0.47, a clear spike compared to historical norms. This isn't just a gradual increase. It indicates a strong momentum shift of plus 0.28 over the past 24 hours, suggesting that something significant is happening in the film landscape. With 19 semantic clusters at play, our API provides nuanced insights into what audiences are feeling and why. You can leverage this data to tailor your marketing strategies, or even to influence content creation. Think about how this might inform your next film project. Our API returns a detailed analysis of sentiment, allowing you to pinpoint audience reactions and trends with precision. If you're interested in diving deeper, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.